Hello and welcome to the Transcript plugins overview video. In today's video, we will go over what the Transcript plugin does, the pages and settings associated with the plugin, and the feature and perspective of the plugin from the student's perspective. Let's begin by discussing what exactly a transcript is. A transcript is an official copy of a student's academic record detailing the courses that the student is enrolled in and the grades associating with each one. The Transcript plugin allows you to incorporate the features of transcripts directly into your virtual Slate LMS. With the help of this plugin, administrators can set up trimesters, customize the transcript to be unique to their organization, and download multiple transcripts for export at once. Site administrators can access the settings associated with the Transcript plugin by navigating to the Site Administration menu, clicking the Plugins tab, and scrolling down to the Local Plugins section to access the Transcript plugins setting link. The first setting determines the custom course field that will be used to map credits to courses within the transcript. You can utilize the default custom course field that is installed by the plugin by default, labeled Credits, or set up your own custom course field by navigating to the Courses tab within the Site Administration menu and selecting the Course Custom Fields link. On this page, you can set up a new short text field type and provide the other field settings to your preference. You can then select this custom course field from the drop-down list, allowing you to map transcript credits to courses. Now with the custom course field configured, administrators can edit the course settings to provide the credit value for each course, which will be then displayed in the generated student transcripts. The profile field setting below functions similar to the credit setting above, but with the user profile fields instead. By navigating to the User tab within the Site Administration menu, you can set up new custom user profile fields within the Accounts section, or use the default ones created by the plugin's installation. The date of birth, acceptance date, and note values are only displayed in the transcript if these profile fields are filled out for that specific user. Otherwise, they will be omitted from the transcript. If the user's action taken field is left blank, the transcript will indicate none as a value in the section. Another important thing to mention is that the dates for the certificates and degrees are only displayed if a certificate or degree is selected from the user's profile. These user profile field mappings allow you to generate dynamic transcripts for each user based on their profile field data. The registrar details settings at the bottom of the page allow administrators to configure the details of the registrar data that are displayed at the bottom of the transcript. The register name, address, telephone, and extension and email are only displayed if provided. Otherwise, they will be omitted from the transcript. Furthermore, if a signature image is provided, it will be displayed on the line within the transcript. Else, it will be omitted from the transcript if not provided. Now that you're familiar with the settings available to the site administrator to configure the transcript unique to their organization, let's go ahead and explore some of the pages associated with the Transcript plugin. By navigating back into the Site Administration menu and clicking the Grades tab within the Transcript section, administrators can find the pages associated with this plugin. The first page, Manage Trimesters, allows administrators to set up and manage the trimesters that are used within transcripts. Begin by clicking the Add New Trimester button and provide a required name for the trimester and an optional description that is only displayed to administrators. Then, you can provide a start date for the trimester and an optional end date. Finally, you have the option to make this trimester available to students, or you can choose to make it hidden by unchecking this checkbox. If the trimester is visible, it will be displayed to users when they view the transcript within their profile. which we will look at later on in this video. Otherwise, if this setting is left unchecked, the trimester will be omitted from their transcripts and only be visible to administrators when they view the user's transcript. Now with your trimester created, you can go ahead and repeat this process for each trimester within your transcripts. You will notice that as the table data grows, you have the ability to sort the table column information by clicking the column headers. Within the Actions column, you can choose to hide or show the trimester. Hiding the trimester will hide it from both the student and administrative perspectives. You can choose to edit the trimester details via the Edit icon and delete the trimester altogether using the Delete icon. Also on this page, you can choose to export this table data via the drop-down file selector, allowing you to download this table data in various file formats. With your trimesters created, you can assign individual courses and course categories to them by clicking the numerical links associating with each trimester. For example, if you wish to assign a specific course or a specific category to a trimester, you would click the numerical link associating with that trimester under the Course Categories column. On this page, you can select the category from the drop-down selector. This feature makes it easy to assign newly created courses within categories to automatically be assigned to the trimester. Alternatively, you may also wish to assign individual courses to the trimester. By clicking the numerical link located in the Courses column for that trimester, you can select courses from a drop-down selector. It's important to mention that trimesters are only displayed in the transcript if they have at least one course assigned to them. You can choose to edit the name of the course displayed in the transcript via the pencil icon associated next to that course within the tab. In the Actions column, you can choose to delete or remove the course assignment from that trimester. Optionally, you can also choose to hide the courses from the trimesters, which will hide it for both the administrators and students. The Added By column will indicate how this course was assigned to the trimester. In this case, it was manually added in. If the course is being added in via a category assignment, which we looked at earlier, then this column will indicate Category Assignment. Furthermore, the course's category will be indicated in the Course Categories column. Otherwise, will be indicated with a hyphen if added manually. Navigating back to the Grades tab within the Site Administration menu, let's move forward by looking at some of the other transcript pages. The View Transcripts link allows administrators to search for transcripts for specific users and provide a custom Issued To text. Begin by selecting a single user from the drop-down selector or by manually entering their name in the search box. Then you can choose to optionally provide the Issued To text. If provided, the Issued To text will be populated within the generated transcript. Otherwise, it will be omitted. Administrators can choose to download the generated PDF via the PDF download button provided. Let's take a look at how students can access their own transcripts. From the student's perspective, if they navigate directly to their profile page, and they can select the Transcripts link under the Reports section. This page will display their generated transcript with the PDF download button available to the student as well. Site administrators also have the option to download all the transcripts on the LMS by clicking the Download All Transcripts link located in the Transcript pages in the Site Administration menu. On this page, they can download all the transcripts by clicking the Download All Transcripts button without providing any filter values. Otherwise, administrators can also choose to filter for a specific subset of users or cohorts. If both filters are provided, then only users belonging to the selected cohorts or included in the user selections will have their transcripts downloaded. Once the download button has been clicked, the transcript generation process will occur in the background. The download button will become unclickable for 30 minutes after each process. so please provide your filters precisely. Once the download has been generated, the main administrator will receive an email informing them of the export process. The email sent to the main administrator will contain a link back to the Download All withdrawals page where they can then download the zip file that has been generated. Other administrators can also download this file via the Download All Transcripts page. The last page associating with the transcripts is the All Withdrawals page. By clicking the Withdraw Learner button, you can select their user and a course to withdraw them from. You have the option to select multiple users and courses. The withdraw process will occur for all users that have an enrollment within the selected courses and create a withdrawal entry in the table below. The process will skip over users that are not enrolled in the selected courses. With these withdrawal entries created, if we refer back to the user's transcript, you will notice that their transcript grade for that course is now depicted with a W. Deleting a user's withdrawal entry from the table will remove the W grade and revert the user's grade back to the original grade before the withdrawal process was initiated. It's important to mention that the user must remain enrolled in that specific course for it to display within their transcript. If you unenroll a user from that specific course, it will remove that course's reference from that trimester. Alternatively, you may consider suspending the user instead from the course if you wish to retain the course within the user's transcript. This will prevent the user from accessing the course content but still remain enrolled. Administrators can choose to configure the access to the trimesters for non-administrative users by assigning the plugin's permissions to their roles across the site. For security purposes, we urge you only restrict this access to higher-level administrative roles, but the following capabilities can be allowed for roles to interact with the plugin beyond the scope of the student: manage transcripts, manage withdrawals, view transcripts, view all transcripts, view withdrawal lists. Thank you for watching the Virtual Slate Transcript plugin overview video. We hope that you now have a more comfortable understanding of how this plugin operates.